Good morning. I'm Brian, a nurse in this clinic. May I know your name and age, please?
Oh, yes, I'm Mary. I am here for some advice. I would like to give up smoking. I have a grandson. He's just 3. And as my daughter and her husband, both are working, I'm the one looking after my grandson. I tried to stop smoking, but it's hard.
Don't worry, Mary. It's not a problem at all. I'll help you. At first, I need to know more. Can you tell me how many cigarettes you smoke a day?
15 to 20.
How long have you been smoking?
Actively smoking in my late 30s. So it must be almost 30.
I see. Do you have any health issues like diabetes, increased blood pressure, or any other difficulties?
I am quite healthy. I don't have any other problems.
All right. Have you tried any methods before, like any attempt to stop smoking?
I never tried. Now I am looking for suggestions to give up smoking.
Are you aware of the risks associated with smoking near a child?
Yes. I'm very much aware. That's what I'm here for. So, I must admit I don't smoke near little child.
Well, it's good to know. You're already aware. Let me confirm that smoking near a child might cause certain conditions like asthma. Now I must appreciate your decision to quit smoking.
I know it's not going to be easy to quit.
Yes, I understand. Have you ever thought of using nicotine patches?
No.
Nicotine patches and gums are great for people who are trying to quit. Also, online support groups and smoking cessation clinic might help you a lot. Are you following me?
Really, but I'm not sure if I can cut down on smoking completely. I can try. Smoking is relaxing. And I don't think anything else can replace it.
Not a problem. Mrs. Mary, I can recommend some relaxation methods. Would you want to know what they are?
Yes. That would help.
You can play games with your grandson. Yoga and meditation will be helpful. You could also try changing your routine a bit. Changes in the activities you do in a day. Like taking up gardening or playing games with your grandson, or even being active throughout the day.
That sounds interesting. But quitting smoking altogether may not be possible, but I can still try and reduce the number of cigarettes I smoke.
Excellent. That should be a good first move. Smoking continuously could lead to many health problems, like weight gain. You may end up snacking very often, and that might reduce your metabolism, which is not good. So I would like to add including exercise like walking and eating healthier snacks that makes you fit. Apart from that, if you quit smoking, that would improve your life expectancy and reduce the risk of illness. Is that clear? Would you be willing to attend smoking cessation clinic?
Yes, nurse.
In that case, I will book an appointment tomorrow same time at smoking cessation clinic. Is that okay?
That would be great.
I am glad with your decision. Do you have anything to share with me?
No. I am happy with your suggestions.
I hope I have addressed all your concerns. If you need any more help, please let us know. Thank you, Mrs. Mary.